Hi, my name is Tucker Davis, and I work in the Specialty Transformer Division of Southwest Electric Company, and today I will be talking to you about transformer bushings, their definition, how they work, and important considerations. A bushing, in its most simple term, is a device that allows for a safe entry and exit point for the electrical current so that it can be ran through the grounded enclosure of the transformer and out to your facilities. So how do they work? The bushing contains a metal conductor typically made of copper or aluminum, which carries the current into or out of the transformer windings. Surrounding that conductor is a layer of insulation, such as porcelain or epoxy. This insulation ensures that the current doesn't arc or discharge to the tank. The bushing fits tightly in a sealed opening of the transformer tank, which will prevent leaks and exposing the internal components to the environment. Inside the transformer, the bushings connect to the winding terminals using flexible leads, bus bar, or cables. Externally, the exposed end of the bushing is connected to external cables, external bus bar, or overhead lines. The bushings are able to simultaneously support the conductors as well as insulate them from the grounded transformer tank, thus preventing arcing or flashover. While fairly straightforward, bushings are a critical component with regards to the reliability and safety of a transformer. Small failures can cause major downtime, which is why regular inspections for cracks, leaks, and discoloration are encouraged. The use of dissolved gas analysis or partial discharge testing can also be beneficial to preventing issues before they occur. Routine monitoring of the transformer's insulation conditions is always recommended. Overall, bushings are an important part of the power distribution process, allowing for safe passage of electricity to the inside and outside of the transformer. For more information, reach out to us at swelectric.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more industry-related content.